my lovelies, it's your girl B in Harmony coming at you to review the Aphogee Two-Step Protein Treatment. This protein treatment is supposed to stop hair breakage and rebuild hair structure. If you would like to see how this turned out for me, stay tuned. Alright, I'm just going to get a little spray bottle. It's about like roughly 5 to 6 ounces, and I'm going to put the Aphogee Two-Step Protein Treatment inside. I don't want to fill it up all the way to the top. I'm just going to give it just enough to fit on my hair. Now this protein treatment really stinks. It has like a really strong smell, and it's very sticky and can get very messy. So I would advise going into your shower or somewhere where you can kind of easily wipe off the walls, or even use a towel that you don't really care about before you spray this on your hair. Alright, I'm just going to do this quad by quad. You don't want to do it all over your head. So I'm just going to spray one quad of my hair and really saturate it all over my hair. I'm going to be able to squeeze in all that solution into my hair, making sure that all the strands are coated with it. Now, this is the only time you really want to mess with it, because after you clip it, you do not, do not touch your hair, because this hardens up really quickly, and you don't want to cause any more breakage. I'm just going to do this to every quadrant, making sure that I spray a good amount, saturating the entire head. After that, I'm done, and I do not want to touch it whatsoever. Now I'm going to take my Nano Titanium by Baby Bliss Pro, and I can buy this from Ulta. I'm going to put it on the high speed and the low heat. After this, is pretty easy. You just want to go ahead and apply the heat onto your hair, making sure that you get it all the way in the back, all the way to the front, all the way in the crown, all the way in the parameters, all the way around. Be mindful that you do not need a whole lot of heat for this. All you need is a medium heat. If you do high heat, all it's going to do is just dry it a little bit faster, which is fine. But I try not to put any type of high heat on my hair. I'm totally fine with using the low heat, and it dried up perfectly. Now, as you can see, my hair is really stiff, and it's extremely hard, like hard as a rock. Please do not touch your hair at this point, because you will see your strands crack and it will definitely break off. Don't manipulate it, don't touch your clips. If it's in a twist out, don't untwist it, don't do anything to your hair, because your hair will break, guaranteed. As I'm shaking my hair, you can see how stiff it is. Okay, now I'm just going to go in the shower under some water, not touching it yet, and just run the water through my hair until it gets softer. My hair has gotten a little softer. I go ahead and remove the clips and just rinse out the remaining hard solution. Now I'm just going to take the Aphogee Balancing Moisturizer. This is a duo to the Two-Step Protein Treatment. You have to have this in order to restore that moisture back into your hair, because your hair is technically really dry and still a little bit hard, so you want to balance out that moisture that the protein treatment just stripped away. So I'm just going to massage this moisturizer on every quadrant, making sure that I get a whole lot on there. I am being so generous with this because I don't play about my moisture. After that, I just put the clips back in, putting it up because the instruction says I have to leave this in for 2 minutes. After that is done, I'll go ahead and rinse the conditioner out, and at this point I am a little off took because, as you can see, like my strands, some of my strands are thin, some of my strands are, kind of, it just looks weird. It doesn't look as, it doesn't look the way I think it should look. It doesn't look like it's normally supposed to look. It looks a little bit stringy. That kind of indicates to me that the protein treatment already was just a little too much. But at this point, I'm trying to keep hope alive because I have to. This is after rinsing out all the conditioner, and my ends are stringy. I don't know what's going on at this point. I'm a little disappointed. So I just put in my leave-in conditioner. This is the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Conditioner. And I'm detangling my hair. Right now it seems a little bit easy, but it's still stringy, and I'm getting a whole lot of hair pulled out, more than I'm used to at this point. This is my hair after I rinsed everything out. My deep conditioner, I had my deep conditioner in for an entire day. And you see that little piece right there, how it's stringy at the bottoms. I don't know what's really going on with this protein treatment, but I am not happy about it, and my hair is not defined at all. Alright, so I'm a little ticked off because I think the protein treatment was just a little bit too much for my hair. It loved it when I was transitioning, but I think that it was just too much because it took some work to try to get through my hair. If it wasn't for this Garnier, the honey conditioner that I use as a leave-in conditioner, I probably wasn't going to even get any slip, and that's not cool. I think I even broke more than I needed to this go around in my hair. It was just too much. I mean, this might not be a whole lot to some people, but this is just a lot to me. But this is through the entire wash. This is what came out, and like that to me is just unnecessary. So that's how much came out of my hair this wash. Granted that, of course, I was on bed rest. I had my hair, I wasn't messing with my hair for 2 weeks, so it was matted and all that kind of stuff. But when I shampooed and all that kind of stuff, it was fine. But the protein treatment, I think, just was too much. The Aphogee protein treatment was just too much for my natural hair, because it was just brittle. Even though I moisturize and I moisturize, I use the two-step conditioner they asked me to use, and I deep conditioner right after it. I even left the conditioner in there for an entire day. And so I don't know why it was necessarily like this, but I have a clip in there like how much it was really tangling, and it was just too much. It's just too brittle and too much. So I'm gonna have to do some research to really get my hair to get back to where it needs to be, because it shouldn't have took that much to detangle my hair. Even though I detangled it in the shower, it was just a little too much. And so this is a trial things that we go through on natural hair. I haven't even hit a year yet for being natural, so that's the first time I've done the Aphogee treatment in my hair. I probably won't be using that again. I'm probably just gonna continue doing my DIY protein treatment using, you know, the natural ingredients and stuff like that, because my hair did okay with that. It wasn't like this at all. But I know every once in a while I need a protein treatment, but I just think that particular protein treatment was too much for my hair. So now it's just about researching and figuring out exactly what I need to do to get my hair back to where it needs to be, to get the moisture balance together, and the elasticity, because it was really like kind of stiffer than it normally is. But I need the elasticity back, even though my hair is really soft. Like I said, if it wasn't for, you know, the conditioner I use and this Carol's Daughter Healthy Hair Butter that I use, it probably would have been a whole lot worse, because it felt a whole lot worse until I put those products in it. So that's just my review, or that's just my experience with the Aphogee protein treatment right now. Probably not going to use it again, like I said, but yeah, this is what it is. All I did was just 2-strand twist it in 4 quadrants and then put it back in the ponytail until I can figure out exactly what I want to do with it. I'm just going to leave it alone for right now, and another 2 days I'll probably go in and kind of moisturize my hair, not putting any water in it, just moisturizing my hair with the Carol's Daughter, not the Carol's, but the Curls replenishing, the Curls leave-in conditioner, just to see if it can bounce back the moisture and give me some slip. If you know of any type of detanglers, please let me know. But I used to use the, what is it called, the Main Choice 3-in-1. I don't have any more, and I don't know if I can get over here. So I'll probably do another video on exactly how I clap back, how I bounce back from this protein treatment disaster. I do want to let you guys know exactly the things that I do, the things that go wrong in my hair journey, and things that do go right in my hair journey, and this right here is just a wrong. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please do subscribe, comment, and share this video. I have gotten more subscribers lately, and I think it has a lot to do with me sharing on social media and stuff like that. So yes, please share these videos so we can get more subscribers and I can get more input. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much, and always remember that happiness is healthy and happiness is beauty.